This fly is the JJ Special. Again, variation of the woolly bugger. It's become a popular fly in brown trout water. And this is a fly that, if you watch the show on the Bighorn, watch the show on the Big Hole, or our Spring Creek shows where we're throwing streamers, this is certainly a pattern that's used there. I have no idea who JJ is or who invented this variation of the woolly bugger. JJ, if you're watching, give me a call. Bind these feathers down to give our body some bulk. Moving forward, I've put a brown and yellow marabou hackle together here, marabou plume. And then bring it forward, trim this off. Then you can really bind it down. Just gives our body a little more bulk, and obviously gives us a good base to work from there as well. At this point, we're going to tie in our grizzly hackle. And this is going to be palmered through the body. And again, this fly too has evolved and to a point where it's tied now in many different colors, variations. I don't know what it is about this color. It may be a crayfish pattern too, or something like that, where brown trout can really zero in on it. You can use different kinds of chenille. I've chosen kind of a variegated color. It's got browns and yellows in it, just kind of to match the rest of the fly. But you can just go with brown, or dark brown, whatever you think, whatever you like. Play around with it. Experiment. Bring it all the way forward. And again, I usually will put some barbells on here for weight. Haven't done that today just to show some time, but I think you can manage on figuring that out on your own. This chenille is a simple wrap forward. Oh, whoa. Before I go any farther, I've forgotten a major component of this fly. I have forgotten what makes this really, really effective, and that is the rubber band legs. Now, these things are not always the easiest to tie with. They make kind of wrapping that body difficult, but they certainly add a lot of life to your pattern. And I'll tie rubber bands and everything. I got them on pheasant tails. I just think it's cool. Fish seem to like them. And again, these are variegated. You can just go with straight yellow ones or straight brown ones. Whatever you like. These I kind of thought were neat in the shop. So I picked them up, and I'm going to put 2 sets on here, one in the front, one in the back. Now I'm going to wrap my thread forward, and now I'm going to fight the chenille through there. Keep it from binding any of those rubber legs down. And I like to split the legs. Helps keep them separated. It's a good time to have your bodkin handy too. In case any of your legs do get trapped, it's a good tool just to go in there and get them out with. See, I've got both hands working here to avoid all of these legs, and we're almost there. You can start to see our fly taking form now. One more wrap. Leave a little space for the head. As I said, sometimes I'll have barbell eyes on there, so you won't be able to go all the way forward with it. Bind that chenille down. Some of these legs are longer than the others, so You can do this when you're done, or just do it now, just to trim them up a little bit, kind of maybe give them a more of a uniform look. I'm sure the fish don't care. And now the palmered hackle. Again, avoid your legs. Just keep popping them up if you happen to get one under there. This can be one of the frustrating parts, so don't let it frustrate you. When you get it done, it's a pretty cool fly. And I'm through one of the sets. Just keep working it forward, kind of equidistance. Gives your fly a little segmented body as well. Almost there. We've successfully done it without trapping any of the legs. All the way up to the front now. I haven't left a whole lot of space for my head there, but yeah, I'll be able to manage. Hold it all back. Bind it down good and tight. Now, we're not tying Atlantic salmon flies here, well, the old traditional patterns, the classics. So don't freak out about your head getting a little too big on a streamer. It'll be more durable. I usually just give that one away anyways. Let one of their fish eat it. Okay. Not the best JJ looking special you'll ever see, but I guarantee you'll catch just as many fish. JJ Special.